Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good morning to all my pupils. Okay, for year 6 today we continue our lesson under the topic reading a window to the world. Okay, year 6. Okay, I want you to take out your textbook. Alright, take out your textbook. Okay, last week we have done, and also your handwork, sorry, and also your handouts. Okay, last week we have done this, right? Okay, the book genre. Alright, today, based on the text, we want to answer this question, right? We want to answer these questions. Okay, now take out your textbook. Okay, and in your textbook, okay, in your textbook there is a story entitled "The Night of the Night." Okay, I repeat, "The Night of the Night." Okay, so let's read it. Okay, I will read the passage and I want you all to listen and then read again. Okay, all right, we start. The night of the night. In the country of peace, all the children would go to sleep at night. Only when the knights of the night flew over their houses and sang melodious lullabies to them. One Saturday night, none of the children went to sleep because the night of the night was late. All the monsters were angry and started to complain about the delay. Finally, one of the mothers went to meet him. The Knight of the Night apologized and said, "I am sorry. I was very busy. I was cleaning the whole day. I still have a lot to do tonight. Tomorrow is Sunday, a holiday, and everything has to look clean, tidy, and pretty." The mother asked, "What do you have to do?" "Oh, I have to put the sun to sleep and wake the moon up," said the Knight of the Night. "After that, I have to go to the gardens and check whether the wind has blown the dust off the grass and the flowers. Then I have to go up to the sky, bring down the stars and make them shiny and bright, and put them back in their places." The surprised mother said, "You can't put the sun to sleep, wake the moon up, or bring down the stars." The Knight of the Night was angry on hearing this. He said, "I know what I'm doing." The mother was so confused. She wanted to write a report because she was right. When he peeped through the window, she saw the children were already fast asleep. She did not want to argue with the Knight of the Night, so she went home. They never found out if the Knight of the Night was actually telling the truth. The end. So, pupils, these are the story about the Knights of the Night. As you know, it's a very interesting story. I want you to read again the story. Please understand the stories and look of each of the words in the story. Okay? Okay, I've give you 10 minutes to read. Okay, after reading, we will have to answer comprehend question based on this story. Okay, so let's we go to your handouts. Okay, so I want you to take out your handouts. All right, this handouts. Okay, all right. So look at the question. Okay, so answer these questions. Okay, the first question: what does the Knight of the Night do every night? Uh, can you answer this question? Okay, now look at your textbook and look at the story again. Alright. Okay, now if we want to answer the questions, the comprehend questions, we need to use some of the question as the answers. Alright, we have to write down some part of the questions to be the answers. Alright, so the first one, the question is, what does the Knight of the Night do every day or every night? Alright, what does the Knight of the Night do every night? Okay, now the answer will be in the first paragraph. Alright, the first paragraph. So I will help you. Okay, I will help you to answer these questions. Okay, are you ready? Alright, you look. Okay, now as I mentioned, when we answer comprehend questions, we need to take part of the question as the answers. So the answer goes like this. The Knights of the Night. Okay, sorry. Okay, the Knight of the Night flew over the children houses and sang melodious lullabies to them. Okay, so as you look, the first question is in the first paragraph in the text or in the stories. Okay, so you have to underline, right? You have to underline flew over children's houses and sang melodies, lullabies to them. All right, it will be in the first paragraph. Okay, we go on to the second question. The question is, why were the mothers angry? Why were the mothers angry? So you need to look at the word or the phrase mothers angry. Can you find the phrase mother angries in the text? Okay, look at the text and I want you to find the words or the phrase mothers angry. Can you find it? Alright, very good. So as you find the words, okay, you have to read the first sentence, the sentence with the mother's angry phrases, and then you combine the question and answers the question that follows. Alright, so why were the mothers angry? The mothers were angry because this question have the word why. So when we have the word why in the question, we have to use the word because. Yes, the mother were angry because the Knights of the Night was late to sing the lullabies to their children. In the story, the mother was very angry why the Knight of the Night was late, right? Because their children were crying. The children crying. They don't want to go to sleep unless they heard the night of the night sang, right? Right. So that's how we answer the question. Do you get it? All right, very good. Okay, now we go to question 3. Question 3 is a little bit long, right? Okay. Okay, look at the phrases in the text. The phrases is like this. I have to put the sun to sleep and work the moon up. Can you look out the phrases there? Yes. The phrase is in the paragraph, in the text. And that is the phrase. Then, what is the questions? Okay, the questions. Why do you think the mother was confused with the statements? Okay, why do you think the mother was confused with the statement? So how to answer that? Okay, when we have the word or the question that asks you, why do you think? So you have to answer the question first. Okay, why do you think? I think. Right? You answer, I think. Why do you think? I think. Right? So I think the mother was confused. Okay, we write again part of the question. All right, and then because of the question got why, so because we have to add the because. Okay, the word because. Okay, so the answer, I think the mother was confused because she thought that the sun and the moon will appear as nature call. So that means the night of the night must not say that he have to wake up the sun, right? And then ask the moon to sleep. Okay, for the Masiwa, right? Because the sun and the moon will appear naturally, okay, after 24 hours. All right. Okay, good. Okay, everybody got it? Nice, excellent. Okay, now we go to question 4. Okay, question 4 is still under number 3 question. It's related, alright? It's related to number 3 question. Okay, the question, do you think the sun sleeps? Why? Do you think the sun sleeps? Okay, if you have the answer, if you say yes, okay, I can accept that. But you should have the reason. Yeah, you should have the reason. If some of you say no, okay, I also accept it. But you have to write the reason. Okay, either the answer is yes or no. You must have the reason. All right. For me, I will write down this question as yes, I do. If you say no, you have to say no, I don't. Okay, remember. For those who want to answer yes, you have to write yes, I do. For those who want to answer no, you have to write no, I don't. All right, remember that. Okay, and then in the question also they have why. Why? So when we have why, we have to write the word because. Okay, yes, I do because the sun couldn't sleep. That's very simple for me. I said sun cannot sleep. Okay, the sun only change 24 hours to the moon, right? After 24 hours, and then because our Earth is pearl, right? Then the Earth will be circulating. Okay, so there are 24 hours. Okay, 12-hour sun and 12-hour night. Okay, then so that is my answer. Okay, I will accept whatever your answers. Okay, all right. Next, B. Okay, where would the moon be during the day? Can you see when the